Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tashwita Gupta. Those of you who are new to my channel, let me give you my quick introduction. So I am an ACCA qualified and an accountant by profession and a tutor by passion. So it's been quite a number of years since I am teaching students globally for various ACCA subjects. So today's video is dedicated towards a very hot topic, that is diploma in IFRS. So without any further delay, let's get into the video, and please listen to this video till the end because there is going to be a lot of information which is important for all of you who are planning to give this exam. Okay. So diploma in IFRS, first of all, we should know that why is it important, and if you've already done ACCA or if you're already a commerce graduate, maybe you have a BCom degree, MCom, MBA. So how is it important for you? So basically, diploma in IFRS is specialized in IFRS. That means we should first of all know what is IFRS. IFRS is International Financial Reporting Standards. So if I talk about them, they are not basically local to any country, they are global accounting standards. Like I stay in India, so here the accounting language which accountants speak is Ind AS, that is Indian Accounting Standards, which is just 95% similar as IFRS. So IFRS are globalized accounting language. So if you stay in any country, there are 180 countries where ACCA has its, you can say, relevance. And in those 180 countries, that means almost around the globe, these IFRS are prevalent in all the MNCs, even in the you can say small scaled entities. So IFRS these days is gaining a lot of prominence. So if you are a BCom graduate and let's suppose you move into a Big Four, you have not done any professional degree, CA, CMA or ACCA, and you don't have any knowledge of IFRS, you have maybe a knowledge of your local accounting standard. Now since you're working with global clients, so your company would be very happy to know that you know those standards in which you're working. That's basically having more knowledge about your work area. So that's why this degree, this course, I won't say this is a degree, this is a diploma. This course is very important for your CV. So it's not important for academics or anything, it's important for our work profile, for our actual working area. That could be in any of the Big Fours, that could be in any of the, even in your own local practice. So I myself am practicing for global clients for the IFRS compilations, and I am into IFRS for the teaching purposes as well. So basically this whole thing is not just for commerce graduates also. So even if you're a science student and you are into accounting work, that means your work profile is related to accounts, but you have around 2 to 3 years of work experience, and you have to first give your certificate in IFRS and then you can move to diploma in IFRS. So these are certain eligibility criteria. That means you can be a CA, CMA, CA inter. So without any work experience, you would be allowed to enter into diploma IFRS. But if you are a BCom, MCom or MBA, then you have to provide some work experience before you do this exam. So that was all about the eligibility and the importance of this course, that how it is going to add value to your CV and how it is important for any of the person who is working in a global profile. Okay. Now coming up to the next thing, that what basically is the syllabus, and if you have some similarity or some familiarity with the accounting standards. So basically they are 33 standards which are there in the syllabus of this diploma, where it ranges from all the areas starting from the IS1, that is preparation, presentation, then you have business combination, IFRS 3, consolidation, IFRS 10, then you have various standards like employee benefits, share-based payment, IFRS 9, financial instruments, leases, revenue. So all these are part of this basic qualification, this basic diploma. So even if you are an ACCA, that is you are an ACCA affiliate or a qualified member, then also this will add value to your CV, because if you've already forgotten what you have done in your SBR basically, or you have given SBR before IFRSs were introduced, or you have given your SBR when the IFRSs were not updated, so you can give this exam for your updation. So that will be helping you towards your CPD, right? That is continued professional development. So basically this is a very holistic you can say diploma for accountants or even the auditors. So I have some students who are BCom graduates, they are into auditing work, they are audit associates in any of the big fours, and they know that in future also they will be working in auditing field. So obviously you can do audit only if you know these standards. So if you know how to prepare the financial statements, that's when you can do an effective audit. So for those people also, this is a very good course which you can look into. Now if I talk about the exam criteria, like what is the duration and when does the exams happen. So the exam is conducted every 6 months, that is in June and in December. So you will have 6 months for the preparation. But if you are a working, because most of my students also were doing diploma IFRS, they are working students. So if you are a working student, then you might take 6 months, because maybe you are dedicating just a few hours every week. Maybe you're just studying for Saturdays and the Sundays. You're not doing full-time study. So for you, it will be like 6 months course is good. But students who are full-time students, or they think that with work also they can give around 2 to 3 hours every day, then they can also complete this diploma IFRS within 2 to 3 months. Yes, you heard it right. But then you have to go the smarter way, that is you have to take a blend of recorded and live lectures, where you have small recordings for all these standards, and then you attend the question practice live, right? So this is how the course structure looks like. Now if I talk about the fee of this course, which is offered by ACCA, the admission fee, which is again charged by ACCA itself, the body which has designed this diploma for global professionals, the fee is £89 for Indian students. For your country, specific country, you can check. I will just drop the link in the description box. So £89 for the admission fee, and exam fee is £123. So if you give an exam, you have to pay this fee, and if you flunk and you reappear, then also you have to pay this fee again. So I hope you understand that these are the two fees. It is excluding any coaching or training or study material. If I talk about the study material, then the study material is not provided by ACCA. They just give you the course syllabus. But there are certain publishers like we have for ACCA. Similarly, we have publishers for Diploma IFRS who will give you full content, including kit, including the study text related to the Diploma IFRS syllabus. And you know, this Diploma IFRS is not objective. So you need to understand that there is one course that is certificate in IFRS, that is wholly objective type questions, MCQs, where you give 1 hour exam, 25 questions are there, and you just go through the module given to you by ACCA, you take those answers, that is CBE only on the computer, and you get a pass or a fail according to whatever you have secured. That is certificate in IFRS. That is a smaller version of Diploma IFRS. It is for the students who are not from commerce background, right? So you can start with certificate in IFRS and then you can move to diploma in IFRS. But diploma in IFRS is fully subjective. There is nothing objective within this course, right? So it is including preparation of individual accounts, preparation of consolidated accounts. It can include various subjective principle based question. So it's very technical. Some people say it's to the level of SBR. I would say yes, but it's quite different in the way the questions are asked, right? So the marking scheme is different, the way the paper is formed, that is different. So it's not a duplicate copy of SBR, it's different, its approach is different. And even in Diploma IFRS, they really talk about the standards very much in depth. So I hope you now understand the course structure, the way the questions are asked, and the exam format. So if you would have any further doubts related to this course, you can just drop down in the comment box, and you can also contact me over the contact details provided if you want training and coaching for the same. So I hope this video helped you, and make sure you do look into the overview of this diploma if you are a working professional, maybe a chartered accountant, CMA, ACCA affiliate or ACCA member, or even a normal BCom graduate, or even not even a commerce student. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.